Dental Checkup of SMDC, organized by Dr. S.K. Arora. Welcome to the NDPL Branch, Keshav Pooram Workshop, where we're excited to bring you the Dental Checkup Workshop, organized by Dr. S.K. Arora, CEO SMDC in Rohini. Special thanks to Dr. Ponga for the warm welcome to our team. So why is dental checkup so important for everyone? A dental checkup is more than just a routine visit to the dentist. It's a crucial step in maintaining good oral health and preventing a range of dental problems. Dr. S.K. Arora, CEO of SMDC, explains a dental checkup is essential for everyone, regardless of age or dental history. It allows us to detect any oral health issues early on and provide personalized treatment and advice to prevent future problems. So what is a dental checkup workshop and how does it work? A dental checkup workshop is a comprehensive program that includes a thorough examination of your teeth and gums, as well as personalized advice and treatment recommendations. Our team of experienced dentists will guide you through the entire process, from the initial examination to the final treatment plan. We'll also provide you with valuable tips and advice on how to maintain good oral health and prevent future problems. Thank you for joining us at the NDPL Branch, Keshav Pooram Workshop. We hope you found this dental checkup workshop informative and helpful. Don't forget to schedule your next dental checkup and take the first step towards a healthier, happier smile. Thanks for watching us. SMDC, Rohini Team, Dr. S.K. Arora.